So, welcome to the break box of the CDA sports card. So tonight is the 2 box of Panini Dominion. Sorry for the mistake. In the eBay, I post wrong title. It's not totally certified. 2 box. It's 2 box of Dominion. Dominion Panini. So. I show our buyers. Okay. Tomorrow is the next box. It's Panini Prime. And for tonight, I give a bonus pack for a mistake. So I start with the bonus pack. All regular card. And Olimata Pittsburgh. Okay. Good luck, everyone. Oh, yeah. I show the box in the empty box. Oh, booklet. Panthers. Nice gold prime. 3 color out of 99. Nick Bujdan. Nice 3 colors. I think it's patch. For Vancouver, 1 colors. It's a jersey signature rookie card of Jordan Schroeder. 2 colors. Booklet for the hands. Out of 25, it's a patch. Brendan Olby. Nice 2 color out of 25. And base card. Boston. Torrey Curry. And booklet, Frozen Moment. 25 out of 50. For the Flyers, Ron Extall. Nice booklet. Flyers. Second box. Empty box. Oh, I see a green card for Caroline. Base card, Eric Stahl, out of 299. For Rangers, no, for Canadiens of Montreal, Kristen Thomas, 3 colors. Canadiens Montreal. 99, rookie card. Nice 3 colors. Oh, nice. Hey, it's same hit. Christian Thomas for Montreal with Rangers uniform out of 5. Nice patch. 2 of same players. Now it's a gold of Martin Brodeur out of 50. Gold base card, Martin Brodeur. Private signature. Oh, sorry. Carl Soderberg. And rookie Mammoth. It's prime out of 10. That's number 5 of 10. Brian Lysoff. It's Red Wings Detroit. So it's out for tonight. 1 hit of 5, 1 hit of 10, and a booklet. So thank you everyone. Tonight is on eBay for the prime. Good luck and good evening.